Colonization severed 3 sacred relationships. It wasn't just theft of the land. It was the theft of relationship. First, our relationship with the land. We were taught to see nature as a resource, not a relative. To extract, not to listen. To dominate, not to belong. Where there was once reciprocity, ceremonies for harvest, gratitude for the water, reverence for fire, now there are selfies, litter, and fire rings in sacred places. Colonization said, "This land is empty until I use it." The truth is, this land is full of stories, spirits, memories, and meaning, even if you don't know how to hear it. Second, our relationship with each other. Communities once centered survival, interdependence, shared labor, and shared joy. Now, many of us are more connected to strangers online than we are to our neighbors. We text instead of talk, scroll instead of share, swipe instead of sit down and stay. We were taught that independence is strength, that needing others is weakness. But the truth is, we heal in relationship. Care doesn't happen in isolation. It happens in shared meals, honest conversations, and holding hands in the dark. And lastly, our relationship with ourselves. Colonization didn't stop with the land. It reached into our bodies too. We were taught to silence intuition, override emotion, ignore pain. To sit still when our body wants to move. To smile when our spirit is breaking. To be productive instead of present. To value thinking over feeling. We were taught to control the body, not to trust it. But this work, this return to wild places, to breath, to movement, to restoration, is about reclaiming that trust.